Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Men's Stock, Shampoo, Ginseng Biotin, 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. Product Overview Description. All national ingredients, no animal testing, contents biodegradable, vegetarian. Step 1, shampoo with this invigorating formula that leaves hair ultra clean, shiny and easy to style. Restores body and fullness to thinning, fine hair and tones, and energizes the scalp. Suggested use. Shake well before using. Apply to wet hair, lather and rinse, repeat if needed. Follow with mint stock ginseng biotin hair repair. Other ingredients. Aqua, decyl glucoside, oryza sativa, rice extract, sodium cocoyl, hydrolyzed soy protein, glycerin, glucose, xanthan gum, citric acid, simmondsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, citrus grandis, grapefruit extract, alcohol denat. 38B, lavender, rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf oil, ascorbic acid, mentha piperita, peppermint oil, hydrolyzed sweet almond protein, equisetum hyemale extract, tussilog farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, glucose oxidase, lactoperoxidase, inositol, panthenol, tocopherol acetate, Hemimelis virginiana, witch hazel extract, glycine, soja, soybean oil, panax ginseng root extract, biotin, Polygonum multiflorum root extract, Riccidica, nettle extract, beta-carotene, Daucus carota sativa, carrot root extract, tocopherol. Organic. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.